Good morning, children. We are discussing the first lesson, social studies, the Act 9th class. So in the last class, we shall discuss about how the human beings arrived to this earth, how the human beings exploit and use the earth, and in the last class we shall discuss about what is global warming, and we also discuss about our universe, the sun, the earth, and in the last class we also discuss about what is rotation, what is revolution, and earth as a planetary body, and the evolution of the earth. So all these things we are discussed in the part 1. So today in the part 2 we shall discuss about the internal structure of the earth. What? Internal structure of the earth. So today we shall discuss about the internal structure of the earth. So this is part 2. This is part 2. So the earth is made up of 3 layers. How many layers? 3 layers. So this is the earth. So this is the first layer. This is the second layer, and this one third layer, and this is the center of the earth. Okay, layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3. Okay, the earth is made up of 3 main layers. The first one is crust. The first one is what? Crust. First one is crust. Second one is mantle. Second one is what? Mantle. And third one is core. Third one is core. First one is crust. Second one is mantle. And third one is core. Okay. So first of all, we shall discuss about crust. We live in the upper layer of the earth. So this is known as crust. Okay, we are living on the upper layer of the earth. This is called what? Crust. Okay, so the depth of the crust is 30 to 100 kilometer. 30 to 100 kilometer depth. Okay. So this layer mostly consists of various kinds of rocks. So here we can see the various kinds of rocks. Okay. So this is all about the crust. And second one is what? Mantle. Second one is what? Mantle. Okay. So this is the second layer. This layer is called mantle. What? Mantle. Okay. So thickness is 100 to 2,900 kilometer. 100 to 2,900 kilometer thickness. The first one is 30 to 100 kilometer, and the second one is mantle. That one 100 to 2,900 kilometers. So here we can see the most important minerals such as chemicals that are silicates. So here we can form the chemicals and silicates. And the third important layer is core. So this one. So this is the core. So this is the third one. The thickness is 2,900 to 2000, okay, 2900 to 6376 kilometer thickness. 2900 to 6376 kilometer thickness. So here we can found the iron and nickel. Iron and nickel. Okay. So again, the core is divided into two layers. That is called sublayers. Okay. First one is outer core, and second one is inner core. First one is what? Outer core. Second one is inner core. Okay. Core again divided into sublayers. Okay. First one is outer core and second one is inner core. So the outer core thickness is 2900 to 5100 kilometers. 2900 to 2900 to 6376 kilometers. So this is the thickness. Okay. It composed materials like nickel and iron. So here we can see nickel and iron in the outer core. So the inner core thickness is 5100 kilometers. So sorry, this is 5100 kilometers. 5100 kilometers. Okay. Next one is inner core. So this thickness is 5100 kilometers to 5100 kilometers to 6376. So that means 6376 kilometer thickness. Okay. So here we can found the minerals like gold. So what we found here? The minerals like gold we can found here. Okay. So this is all about the internal structure of the earth. Okay. The earth is made up of three layers. First one is crust, second one is mantle, and third one is core. Okay. So the crust is the upper layer. We are living on the earth. So the thickness of the crust is 30 kilometers to 100 kilometers thickness. So here we can found the different kinds of rocks. The second most important layer is mantle. Okay. So the thickness of the mantle is 100 kilometers to 2900 kilometers. So here we can found the chemicals like silicates. Okay. And the third important one is core. Okay. So the thickness of the core is 2900 to 5100 kilometers. Sorry, 5100 kilometers thickness. Okay. And again, the core is divided into two sublayers. First one is outer core and second one is inner core. Okay. So the outer core thickness is 2900 kilometers to 5100 kilometers. So here we can found nickel and iron. What? Nickel and iron. And the second most important one is inner core. Outer core, inner core. So the inner core thickness is 5100 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. So here we can found the heavy substances like gold. Okay. So this is all about the internal structure of the earth. Okay. So next topic we shall discuss movements of the earth's crust. Movements of the earth's crust. Okay, next topic is movements of the Earth's crust. Okay, when Earth plates are rotated, so Earth before our Earth is consisted of different kinds of plates. Okay, whenever the Earth plates are rotated, they are collided. Collided means dashed and formed mountains, oceans. Okay, so whenever they are collided, they form what? Mountains, oceans, okay, plateaus, valleys. So all these are formed due to the rotation of the plates. What? Rotation of the plates. So in the early 20th century, a German meteorologist, Alfred Wegener. So all of you note down. The German meteorologist, Alfred Wegener. Okay. So he described a theory that is known as continental drift. Continental drift. So all of you note down in your notebook. Okay, in the early 20th century, a German meteorologist, okay, Alfred Wegener, note down, Alfred Wegener, so introduced the theory. That theory is known as continental drift. What? Continental drift. All of you note down. Continental drift. So according to this continental drift, he explained the present arrangement of the continent and oceans. How the continents are, how the oceans are. So all these things he clearly described. Okay, that is in continental drift. Okay, a German meteorologist, his name was Alfred Wegener. Okay. So according to this continental drift, he explained the present arrangement of continents and oceans. How continents are formed, how ocean basins are formed. Okay, all these things he clearly explained in the continental drift. Okay, he postulated a massive supercontinent which he called Pangea. So this is the massive supercontinent. That supercontinent is called Pangea. That supercontinent is called what? Pangea. Okay. So here in Greek language, Pangea means whole land. What? Whole land. That means entire land is called Pangea. Okay. So due to the movements of plates, whenever the earth rotates, at the time of rotation, the plates are rotated. So they are collided to each other and Pangea became broke up to two lands. This Pangea became broke up and became a two lands. This is divided into how many lands? Two lands. Okay. So first one is Angara land. Okay, and second one is Gondwana land. The Pangea, due to the rotation of the plates, Pangea is divided into two lands. So here Pangea means nothing but the whole land. Okay, so due to the rotation of the plates, the Pangea once again divided into two lands. First one is Angara land and second one is Gondwana land. Okay, so in the Angara land, the present North America, Greenland are located. North America and Greenland are located in the Angara land. And in the Gondwana land, so this Gondwana land, some continents are present. That one South America, Africa, Madagascar, India, Arabia, Malaysia, East Indies, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay, so all these are located in the Gondwana land. And these two blocks were separated by a sea. That sea is known as called Tethys Sea. What? Tethys Sea. So if you go to 10th class, I will briefly explain what is Tethys Sea, how Angara land and Gondwana land, they are collaborating to each other, how the Himalaya mountain ranges are formed. So all these things we shall discuss about in the 10th class. So okay, so in the Angara land and in the Gondwana land, one sea is there. That sea is called what? Tethys Sea. And this Tethys Sea was separated, the Angara land and the Gondwana land. Okay, so all of you clear? So next, once again I am reading. Movements of the Earth's crust. Movements of the Earth's crust. When Earth plates are rotated, they are collided to form the mountains. So here, the collided is nothing but they are dashed. They are crashed. So whenever they are dashed, they are crashed. Okay, the mountains, the oceans, okay, the plateaus, the valleys are formed. Okay. So in the early 20th century, a German meteorologist, write down the important point, a German meteorologist, Alfred Wagner, his name was Alfred Wagner, introduced the theory. That theory was called continental drift. What? Continental drift. So according to this continental drift, he explained the present arrangement of the continents and the oceans. How the continents are formed, how the oceans are formed. All these things briefly explained in the continental drift. Okay. And he postulated a massive supercontinent which was called Pangea. He also described about the Pangea. So due to the rotation of the Earth's plates, the Pangea land broke into two lands. So here Pangea is nothing but the whole land. The whole land is called Pangea. So whenever the Earth plates are rotated, whenever they are collided to each other, whenever they are dashed to each other, at that time the Pangea again divided into how many lands? Two lands. First one is Angara land and second one is Gondwana land. So present North America, Greenland are located in the Angara land. So when you come to the Gondwana land, so in the Gondwana land, some countries or continents are present. They are South America, Africa, Madagascar, India, Arabia, Malaysia, East Indies, Australia, and Antarctica. So all these are located in the Gondwana land. Okay, so these two blocks were separated by a sea called Tethys Sea. So here one sea is there. That sea is called what? Tethys Sea. This Tethys Sea separated Angara land and Gondwana land. Okay, so students, once again revise carefully. Go thoroughly through the textbooks. Okay, you have to underline the important points and write down the notes and prepare them. Thank you. Have a nice day.